Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how to make a lovely decor out of using glass bottles. Okay everyone, here's the items that we'll be using for these DIYs, and everything that I'll be using will be listed down below in the description box below the video with the links and everything for you guys to go and see what and where I got the stuff that we're using. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start with this glass bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to use our bling wrap that we got from Totally Dazzled. So we're just going to use our glue gun and glue our bling wrap going all around our bottle. And now we're going to take these gemstones, which you can get from Dollar Tree, or you can also get them from Dollarama, and we're going to place them on our design with the hot glue. And now we have our gems that we got from Totally Dazzled. And you just take your little thing and take the tab off the back, which they come off very easy. And now I'll be using the Gorilla Glue and just add it to our decor. And I'll be putting this little one up here. Now for our second bottle, we're going to be using our mirrored sheets and wrapping it right around the middle surface here that's open. And we'll be using our E6000 to glue down our mirror sheets going around the bottle. And now we're going to add another one of our lovely gems onto our bottle. And here's our finished look, you guys, our decorative glass bottles. Now I added flowers in them. You could use them as a centerpiece for your home or for a wedding function. They look very nice. You can use them as a centerpiece or just as a decorative item around your home. And you can place any kind of flowers in them. I really think they look nice with the glass. Going around, did two with the glass and one with the silver bling wrap going around the center. And they're lovely gems from Totally Dazzled. And here's how they look just as a decor by themselves. I think they turned out very nice. I love how they look. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of these decorative glass bottles. And don't forget to press that like button, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified of whenever I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.